You finished your collage and then click File, Download, JPEG image. This will save a file to whatever device you're using. Mine popped up here. Then you're going to go back to the discussion. You'll click Reply. Click this picture icon here. If you don't see it, click this 3 dots and it will be in another menu. Click Upload Image. Click Upload Image again. Choose the image from your computer, wherever it is, if it's in your drive or in your files, and then click Submit. Your picture will appear in a reply. You can even click the picture and click Image Options. You can make the picture smaller or bigger and click Post Reply. And you'll see the reply is posted.